All right, so we've got some quiet conditions here across western Arkansas, eastern Oklahoma. Stormy weather still lingering parts of the natural state, but it's out towards the east. Again, we had some huge totals in parts of north central, northwestern Arkansas. Oklahoma obviously seeing lots of rain for several days in a row. We're talking some areas ranging from 8 to 15 inches of rainfall. Parts of Newton County, Boone County, some areas just to the east of Five Country seeing some of the highest totals in the state. Again, we need a break. We need to give the soil, those saturated soil, we need to give it a couple of days, kind of take in all the water that we saw. Obviously, it got so saturated, we saw a lot of runoff there, which is great. That goes into the low streams, the low creeks, the low rivers. Really helping out. The Buffalo River was in desperate need of some rainfall. A lot of ponds out there for a lot of our farmers in desperate need of some rainfall. We got that. We're not getting any more today or tomorrow. We do have some of this as we close out the work week into the weekend. That's going to be the next time that we're going to be watching. All right, what do you need to know as you get ready to walk out the door? Light jacket, especially for the kids that are going to be hanging around the bus stop for a little bit longer this morning. Even for you heading into the office, you may want a little extra layer. We're starting out mostly in the 40s across the area. I think we're going to see a lot of 60s across northwest Arkansas. Could get up to around 70 degrees. That would be on the warmer side. I think we'll have a higher chance of seeing more of those lower 70s, around 71 degrees across the river valley today. It'd be a little bit of a mix of some upper 60s and low 70s. All right, another cool night. We're going to have cool mornings through the rest of the week. Should be overall a mix of 40s and 50s. This morning being one of the cooler ones. And then as we get into the next several afternoons, pleasant weather, comfortable weather, 60s and 70s is what we're going to see a lot of for our highs. All right, looking into Friday. I think Friday's mostly dry. We pick up at noon. By the evening, we may see the rain increasing in eastern Oklahoma. Most of the rain looks like, we were saying this yesterday, we were watching the back half of Friday through the first half of Saturday. We're continuing to narrow down that window. It looks to be more overnight Friday into Saturday morning. That's our next chance of some rainfall. Right now, we're not tracking a severe weather threat. Some rumbles of thunder, some heavy downpours, certainly going to be possible. We're going to keep you updated with that. I know as soon as we move out of one severe weather event, people's anxiety is a little high when the next round of rain comes in. This one right now doesn't look to be too bad. And again, we've spaced it out enough. This could be some beneficial rainfall. Possibly some additional inch of rain will be possible across the area, half inch, maybe a little bit more than that. So that's not too bad. That'll certainly help us with the drought conditions. And then maybe just beyond the 7-day, what we're showing you here, I think in the middle part of next week, so Wednesday, Thursday timeframe, we could be watching another front come in with another round of some rain and thunderstorms.
All right, thanks for that, Zach. Stay with us. We've got more coming up in just a few minutes.